How to use filters in X for foundations? In-game you can access them from the map, using the first button in top right corner. There are already 4 of them and they are Trade filters, Think filters, Mining filters, and all other filters. You can understand that is on or off using the icon referment. If is buried, it means that is off, otherwise is on. Let's start from trade filters that is needed mainly to understand where to buy and sell wares. If you want to learn the basics about this activity, check top right corner suggested video. So, the filter itself tells you the commodity best price in a specified station or space section. In case of a space section, you can see a squared frame that shows the area analyzed. The shown information is divided into sections. The first shows the best buying offers, while the second the best selling offers. The first column shows the commodity names. The second the volume of needed or available goods. In case it's empty, it means that it's too low. 1 hexagon means that it's low, 2 is medium volume, and 3 is large. The last column shows the buying or selling price for the commodity. By hovering the mouse upon the offer will be shown the exact volume and the station that it holds the offer. If clicked will be added the where you choose to trade and the rest will be hidden. This will help to find where to sell and buy this commodity in the specified analyzed section of the space. While selecting a ship, you can order them to execute the trades. To do so, first go in Property Owned. Select the ship you want to use, right-click the Sold Wares offer, use the slider to choose the amount you want to buy, then click Confirm. Now right-click the Bought offer and move the respective slider in opposite direction, then Confirm. As a result, the ship will start to execute the trades. In fact, in Ship Information, under Behavior, you can see 2 orders in Kiwi. By clicking on plus icon, you can check the informations. And they are the sector where is directed, the respective station name which one it will trade, the wares it will trade, and the amount will be executed. Using the X icon, you can also disband the trades. Back to trade filters, you can change the wares focused by clicking on already existing one and choosing another one from the list. By using the X icon after the name, you can remove it. In case deleted all, will be shown against the best deals. Also, you can add manually up to 8 wares to check out. Next, there is the storage section that shows the deals based on type of storages of ship has. As a result, by unchecking the solid will be excluded all solid raw materials, and liquid disabled will exclude gas raw materials, while the container shows all refined materials and final products. Next, the max price slider will hide from analysis all wares below the specified price. The minimum volume will exclude the deals that can be done by small ships. And to conclude, the last setting will change the number of shown offers. For the extra, you can use the search bar top right upside the filter to add wares by writing its name in search following by Enter key. Here also you can remove them, but also enable and disable the filter using the mini icon on the left from the search bar. Time to explain Thinking filter. While exploring, this one will spot something unknown in the map not far from your or your own ships. This can be a logbox, abandoned ship, or any other anomaly. Anyway, in the option you can choose to disable it or just how frequently you want to see these alerts. This alert consists in a temporary blinking question mark that tells around which area you must search using your scanner. If you want to know how to scan, check top right corner suggested video. Anyway, if you are enough lucky, you will catch the object that will be added to your minimap like unknown object. At this point in the map, using button T, you can mark it in your targeting GPS. This will help you to find it. Time to explain the mining filter. This one has just a checkbox that if checked will show the resources near every resource probe. The problem is that it covers the map constantly, and in case you have two resource probes close to each other, you will have some problems to read the data. In this case, you can just disable it. Anyway, by holding the mouse upon the resource probe icon, you will be able anyway to read the data of single probes. Time to explain the last filter. This one contains a lot of other filters. This type of filters can be only enabled or disabled. The first will make visible in the map all missions you can accept. There is also another way to accept the mission, explained in top right corner suggested video. Next is the station cargo filter that allows to check station storage usage. Follows workforce filter that near any station will show the actual amount of workers supported maximum and the workers the station had when it reached the maximum efficiency. At this point, time for the docked ships filter. This one shows how many ships actually are docked in a station and its maximum parking capacity, while civilian ship filter will show in the map the station security civilian ships. Next, show orders will show you own ship orders graphic representation in the map. Similar fashion, show allied orders will do the same with ships belong to allied factions. While the crew filter will show the crew in any ship about which you have this information. This is useful for boarding, to check the crew composition without losing time going in ship information. If you want to know more about boarding, check top right corner suggested video.